Key steps: lumbar puncture, identification of landmarks, local anesthesia at the insertion site, insertion of spinal needle into cerebrospinal fluid space, collection of cerebrospinal fluid, removal of spinal needle. The iliac crest serves as the landmark that marks the interspace between the third and fourth lumbar vertebrae. Place a fenestrated drape over this space after it is marked. Anesthetize the skin and deep connective tissue with 1% lidocaine. Insert a 21-gauge spinal needle through the interosseous ligament into the intervertebral space. Advance the needle toward the umbilicus between the L3 and L4 vertebrae, checking periodically if the physician senses that the needle may have entered the dural space. Usually, a subtle pop is felt when entering the spinal canal. Once the canal is entered, remove the obturator and allow the spinal fluid to flow out into the collection tube. In some instances, gentle rotation of the needle improves cerebrospinal fluid flow. Normally, collect 3 to 4 tubes with 1 to 3 cc's of fluid and label sequentially for cerebrospinal fluid studies. After the collection of fluid is complete, replace the obturator and remove the needle. The procedure is now complete.